This is the tutorial how to put on the shoes. First, there are head, tail, and shoe tongue on each shoe. The front shoe, we call it as the head. The back side with the hole for our feet, we call it as tail. The shoe tongue is located inside the shoes. Put the shoes correctly. Right on the right and left on the left. Sit on the floor and get it the right shoe. Hold your right shoe, then hold the shoe tongue with your left hand and the tail of the shoe with your right hand. Put in your right foot into your shoe. Then pull the tail of your shoe by using your right hand. Make sure all your right foot is already inside the shoe. Lastly, pull the shoe tongue with both hands. Do the same step for the left shoe.